Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from Eurostoxx and welcome to 90 at 9. This is your morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. Starting now with news, the US stocks are up 0.6% overnight and European stocks are up even more, up 1.7%. That's because investors are betting the European Central Bank will be allowed to go ahead and buy bonds, particularly in Spain. And we've seen Spanish and Italian bond yields come down from their record highs. It all depends on whether the Germans support the European Central Bank, and the current signs are they will, although we've yet to hear from Angela Merkel directly, and we've yet to hear from people within the Bundesbank. Now, all this confidence about quantitative easing and more money printing from banks to buy bonds, the Standard & Poor's 500, the main measure of US stocks, is up 11% this year. There's also confidence in the United States that it will go ahead with easing as soon as September. The Federal Reserve's Boston president said overnight that, quote, an open-ended easing of, quote, substantial magnitude was required. However, unusually, the New Zealand dollar actually fell last night. Normally it rises when the US stocks are up. It fell to 81.5 US cents. That's after Prime Minister John Key told Bloomberg in an interview that the New Zealand dollar was no one-way bet. He said also the Reserve Bank had room to cut. And he pointed out that if the New Zealand dollar appreciation were to continue, then the economy would stutter to a halt. He suggested that the Reserve Bank, with its official cash rate at 2.5%, did have room to cut if the currency continued to rise. I'm Bernard Hickey. That was 90 seconds at 9 o'clock from Eurostoxx.co.nz.